We need to strengthen what the surgeons are saying. The hospital says that the latest oxygen failure alarms must be installed immediately, although these have not been fully tested yet. And the surgeon says that no surgeon will operate under such conditions because malfunctioning alarms could mislead surgeons and cause surgical complications. We need to strengthen what the surgeons are saying. Answer choice B gives an example of not fully tested alarms achieving exemplary performance, and therefore answer choice B strengthens what the hospital is saying and not what the surgeons are saying. So answer choice B should be eliminated. That digital devices malfunctioning is always a possibility is a general statement. This applies to all such devices, tested or untested. So such an answer choice is not going to have any bearing on the argument. Answer choice D talks about many surgical complications being caused by exhaustion of overworked surgeons. So this answer choice doesn't talk about the issue of oxygen failure alarms, and therefore this is just a general factual information that does not have any impact on the argument. That at this stage of development, the new oxygen failure alarms work better in certain surgeries than what they do in other surgeries is just an operational detail. This is not going to have any impact on the argument. Besides, please see this answer choice compares the performance of the new oxygen failure alarms with their own performance elsewhere. This is a classic GMAT error, comparing one with oneself. What if it is better in one kind of surgeries but still very bad? What if the comparison is 90% failure versus 89% failure? 89% may be better than 90% failure, but it is still very bad. So a lot wrong with answer choice E. Let's confirm answer choice A now. Answer choice A suggests that even though something positive, that the new failure alarms may allow surgeons to avoid some surgical complications, the likely malfunctions of the not fully tested alarms will lead to even more surgical complications. The operative phrases here are avoid some surgical complications, but leading to even more surgical complications. In simple words, the not fully tested new oxygen failure alarms shall do more harm than good, and therefore answer choice A strengthens the claim made by the surgeons here, and therefore option A is the correct answer choice.